It's not a clickbait. I have made over $250 on this website just by sending links to my friends. At the end of this video, you're going to learn 3 ways that you can use to make money or even make more than I've made on this website. Go to Google and type Clickworker or just click on the first link on the description of this video that will take you directly to the website and click on the first link that you see here. The first step is for us to understand what this website is all about. What is Clickworker? Clickworker is a get paid to website that provides each individual like you and me to earn a salary online while doing some micro tasks that are available from various topics, and these topics are further classified as jobs: text creation, categorization, copy editing, proofreading, research, survey, mystery visit, app testing, photo capturing, audio recording, and video editing. And now you might be wondering, all these jobs just mentioned, what is it all about on Clickworker? Well, let me explain to you how it works. But before I explain, you need to stop everything that you're doing right now. Close your Instagram, close your Facebook, close your WhatsApp, close everything you're doing right now, because you need to pay good attention to what I want to say here. Understanding this illustration will give you more understanding of what this website is all about. Alright, let's say this is a businessman who is planning to go to America for his holiday. Since he hasn't been to America before, the first thing that he needs to do is to carry out a lot of research about America, about the city that he's going to stay, about the hotel that he's going to sleep, about the restaurant, and all things like that. All this research might be too complex for this businessman to carry out since he has other business that he's doing already. This businessman will go to Clickworker and create an account and put this complex project, all this research as a work for you and me. This complex project will be broken down into micro tasks for you and me to carry out, and in return, we will be paid by Clickworker. And this is where Clickworker comes in. They develop individual solution for a complex task. This complex project will be broken down into micro tasks for you and me to carry out, and in return, we will be paid. This job might be broken down into 50 parts, 100 parts, and when it is finally done, all our answers, all the researches that we've made will be processed simultaneously by Clickworker. And at the end of the day, they will merge all our answers together as a single result after they might carry out adequate quality control. These answers that is being processed will be given to this businessman for all that he needs. It's not left for this man to decide on which of the city, which of the hotel, which of the restaurant that he's going to go based on our suggestions and our answers. That is basically how it works here. You provide solution for people who are in difficult state to choose what they want to do or what they want to carry out. Alright, and in return, you will be paid some amount of money. That is basically how it works, and that is one of the first ways to make money on this website. Before we talk the other 2 ways to make money on this website, we first of all need to create an account. Creating of our account is pretty straightforward. The first thing for you to do is to click on earn money as a Clickworker, and you will need to hit on sign up and hit on register. Once you're here, you have 2 options to choose. Here is for the businessman that I just explained, who has a complex project that he needs some solutions. While this other one is for us, for people who want to solve the problem and make money. Click on register now and click on register now. On this page, you'll be asked to select your country. And once you select your country, the other option will be available for you. Here, you'll be asked to put in your situation, your title, your first name, your last name, your company. Even if you don't have company, it doesn't really matter. Your date of birth, your street address, your zip code, your city, and your state. And you'll be asked of your email, reconfirm your email. Then you need to create your login name, like your username, put in your login name, create a specific password, repeat your password, and put in your country time zone. After that, you need to accept the terms and conditions. Then you hit on sign up. And once you create your account, you'll be redirected to the home page. This is the home page. Here is the jobs, where you have your work history, and here is your assessment. We will come back to that later. Here is your profile, your contact profile, your details and all that. And here is your account where you set up your payment method and all that. This website actually pays out through PayPal, SEPA, and Payoneer. And once you hit $10, you can cash out between 7 days, 14 days, or even 13 days. Now, the second method to make money on this platform is to qualify for UHRS. For you to qualify, you'll be provided with so many questions to answer. They are normally basic English questions. They want to test your knowledge to see how far you are and how well you are. You will need to answer some of the basic questions so that you provided with those jobs that we talked earlier in the video by solving people's problems and at the end of the day being paid. if I should go through this process, this video might be too long. But if you want to do it you can do it. Click right here. But I don't want this video to be too long. And now let's dive into the other question. If you are finding this video to be informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And the other way to make money on this website, which is my favorite way, which is how I was able to make over $250. Scroll down to the bottom of this website. Clickworkers recruits clickworkers. Here, anybody you invite to this platform to come and sign in, once that person is able to make at least $10, you will be given $5. But note, it's not going to affect the person balance. Once the person is able to make at least $10, you will be credited with $5. That was how I was able to make over $250 on this website. Now, if you check right here, you will see that I have sent out about 45 links to my friends, and at the end I've generated over 260 euro. And this is my favorite way to make money on this platform, making over $250 just by sending links. Send the links to my friends and advise them on what to do to make money on this website. The main way to make money on this website is through the assessments that I talked about earlier, completing those basic questions that will guarantee you to make more money. But I don't do it that way. I try to send links to them and try to convince them on how they can use it. Signing up already, I've generated over $260. That is just it. It's very simple. How can you get the link? Scroll to the bottom of this page and you'll see a referral link. Click on this link. If you have any friend trying to persuade you, explain to show this video to him or her, explain to her how everything works. And when you start making money through that assessment that I talked about, you as the affiliate, each time you provide person and that person hits at about $10, you'll be given $5. Is it not simple? It's very simple. That is the way it works. So if you watch this video to this point, write in the comment section and say I can do it, and I do appreciate your time. See you next week when we drop another video. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Cheers! Peace out.